Hello friends. Right now, I just need you to stay seated and watch this video because everything I'm about to tell you right now has been verified by the mechanics at the shop where I am. When this message appears on your dashboard, the first thing we always say here at the shop is that this happens because the system that uses the front radar to detect traffic and brake in emergencies isn't working as it should. We've come across this many times, and there's almost always something hidden behind the problem. For example, a customer brought in his Mercedes Benz a few days ago after spending a weekend in the countryside. The first thing we did was check the radar behind the front grille, even though the owner of this vehicle told us he'd already cleaned it and that couldn't be it. Well, in reality, there was a buildup of mud and dust behind the grille that wasn't visible to the naked eye. At the shop, we cleaned it carefully, reconnected the sensor, and the message disappeared on its own. So many times, simply having the radar blocked or misaligned makes the system think it can't see correctly, and it deactivates for safety. On the other hand, we also had customers with an intermittent message. They would say, "Sometimes it works," and after 10 minutes, the message appears again. What we noticed here, and what isn't always mentioned, is that the auxiliary battery was very low. In these Mercedes, in addition to the main battery, there's a secondary battery that powers critical modules like the radar and the ESP. If that auxiliary battery doesn't provide a stable voltage, the safety system can't function correctly and triggers the warning. At the shop, we measured the voltages, replaced the auxiliary battery, and the system went back to normal. Then we had an interesting case where the customer had the sensors replaced at an independent shop. Even though the car was running fine, the predictive braking system didn't recognize the information correctly because those generic sensors didn't provide consistent readings. When we replaced them with original Mercedes parts, the message disappeared and everything started communicating correctly again. That's when we learned that sometimes it's not that something's broken, the system just isn't receiving reliable information, and that's why it deactivates. Additionally, another customer reported that the inoperative message appeared right after a heavy rain. In that case, we checked the connections and fuses and found that a CAN bus connection had moisture and a poor contact. Mercedes electronic systems rely on a communication network between modules, and when one module doesn't talk correctly with the others, errors appear. Once we cleaned and secured the connections, everything started communicating correctly again, and the problem was solved. Wait, don't go. The Mercedes-Benz brand always recommends not clearing these codes without first solving the root cause, and that makes a lot of sense. In the shop, we use professional tools like Entry and ATIS to verify which module is failing, to see if the sensor is calibrated and if communication codes exist. Unlike what many people who have come here to the shop telling us that they disconnected the battery and the error disappeared, that can hide the message temporarily. But it doesn't solve the problem if the radar still isn't sending data or the voltage remains unstable. So, my friends, like and subscribe.